Welcome to practice. In this video, we'll to implement behavioral insights from user data using SQL. Here I am on the practice website. Let's scroll down. I'm gonna filter it using use case here. Let's find our product. Here is our behavioral insight from user data using SQL product. Let's see what all we have here. So the business objective of this product is to get the insights of the user data in a music streaming app according to their behavioral insight and solve the skill use cases related to it. Here we have the product highlight and the learning outcome. There are 5 datasets attached to this product: artist, songs, user listening history, playlist, and users. So let's just log into the dashboard, as I have already purchased this product in my dashboard. So here I am on the practice dashboard and here are my last purchases. This is our behavioral insights from user data using SQL use case. Let's click on practice. Here I am on the lab content page where we have the prerequisites, the objectives of these use cases, all the skills used to solve the use cases provided, and the learning outcome, what is the real world skill I'll gain after solving this use case, the business context, an overview of the datasets provided, and here we are our use cases which have a description, a business impact, an expected outcome, and an attached snippet of expected outcome. So here are the downloadables. Let's download the CSV files of our datasets. All our datasets are downloaded. Let's open dbeaver. I'm using dbeaver as a client. You can use any other client also. Let's expand the database and create a new database, naming it behavioral insights user data. Our database is created. Let's expand it, expand the schema, create a new schema, naming app, expand the schema. So we do not have any tables right now. Let's right click on the tables. Here we can see an import data option. Let's click on it. All our datasets are in CSV format. Let's click on next. Select our downloaded datasets. Click on next. Here is the option to select the number of rows you want to insert in your database from the CSV file. I've selected 10,000 rows here. Let's click on proceed. All the CSV files will be loaded in a minute or two. Let's wait for a while. So here our tables are created and the data from the CSV files is imported here. See, let's create a new SQL script and try to solve one of those use cases provided in the product. Here, let's try to solve this use case. Recent user activity: to track user who have listened to music in last 7 days to monitor short-term engagement and spot correctly active users. Okay, so we need username, email, and last activity. So user listening history, we have the listen date. Users table, we have the email, username, and user ID. Okay, so let's write the select statement for this. Select distinct. We'll select username, user email, Let's join this from user listening history table. Select maximum for the last listening date from user listening history as last activity. Okay, let's join these tables on the basis of user ID, where user listening history listen date should be greater than or equals to current date, and let's say there they have written 7 days. Let's consider it for 30 days interval. 30 days. Let's group it on the basis of user ID, username, and the user email. Order it by last activity in descending order. So let's try to run this query. Yes, we have the data for the users whose activity were in last 30 days. Last active on 7th July 2025, June. So similarly, you can solve rest other use cases also. And in case of any difficulty, you can reach out to us from here. Just contact us page, just fill the form and send us a message, or you can directly mail us on contact@practice.com. We'll address your concern. For more such videos, subscribe our channel, and you can also explore our website for more such use cases and data sets, capstone projects, business requirement. We have many more products here. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.